The starting gate is rolling for race number 3. Shaking up their positions, Lancaster Park, Draken Hanover on the inside of the center. Southwind Indy, Win One Soon. To the outside is Make Some Luck and Sports Better. It is a field of 6 for the third. Into the backstretch, approaching the start. Southwind Indy is the first one to leave out. Southwind Indy establishes the advantage heading to the first turn. Make Some Luck now has come away second. Then it is Sports Better to the outside. Lancaster Park is on the inside. Draken Hanover is racing second from last. And Win One Soon is back trailing the field. It is now Southwind Indy with a lead of a length and a half. Make Some Luck is filling the pocket. And Sports Better is racing third. Lancaster Park looks at things from fourth as the field comes off the turn and rolls towards us. That opening quarter is 27-4. And then back racing position to second from last is Draken Hanover and Mike Safdie working in front of Win One Soon and Phil Houdon. On the roll past us, Chris Christoforou, Southwind Indy leads the way. Double J, Make Some Luck is filling the pocket. Length and a half back. Of a quarter of 27-4, they race towards the half, and Sports Better on the inside is only 3 off the lead. Now it is Draken Hanover moves to the outside. Lancaster Park is down to the inside, and trailing the field is Win One Soon into the backstretch of a half of 57-3. Southwind Indy still has the lead. Southwind Indy is in front of a length and a half. Now racing on the outside, position second. Draken Hanover steadily advancing down to the inside is Make Some Luck racing third. And getting up closer now, Win One Soon is spotted second over on the back of Draken Hanover. Inside racing fifth is Sports Better. And trailing the field, Lancaster Park to the outside, 3 to the inside, 3 to the outside, 125 and 2 for 3/4. They race to the top of the stretch. Southwind Indy and CC trundled on. To the outside, Draken Hanover and Safdie. Right there close on the inside is Make Some Luck racing third. As the field comes on down the stretch drive, Southwind Indy, Make Some Luck looking for racing room. And to the outside, Draken Hanover. Southwind Indy up the inside, squeezing up as Make Some Luck. Southwind Indy is going to win. Second is close between Make Some Luck on the inside. Draken Hanover to the outside, 153-1. Pacing Colts and Geldings. It's number 3, Southwind Indy. Southwind Indy is a 2-year-old son of sports writer owned by Westwind Stables, along with Steve Calhoun and Southwind Farms. Casey Coleman, the trainer, and Chris Christoforou, the winning driver. 153-1 for Southwind Indy, a new career best.